welcome back to today's vlog. Today is the second vlog I'm doing for today. I did one earlier, like a couple hours ago, where I was talking about art trends, trends in YouTube art and why I don't do them. Not because I hate them, trust me, I don't. But also, I was also cutting up some pictures that I plan to stick in my a little journal here, and these are just basically wildflowers that I took from around my neighborhood. Some of them are not actually flowers at all, like this is a wheat, but I just like the wheat, I like the formation, and I love the texture on this little wheat flower here, and I want to see if I'm able to draw it. So just basically that's what I was doing. And for this other vlog, as you can see, there's scissors next to me. I think I posted a video for this already. This is the video that I did where I paint on unconventional materials, the cereal box. I want to put some acrylic spray on that. I usually go outside to do that. And for this vlog, I will be doing some swatches. This is not an art haul because I didn't buy a lot of art materials. The only two art materials I got, which was quite inexpensive to be honest, was this little pencil case. And at one of my local stationery stores, I found, not this. Well, some of these are found at one of my local stationery stores, but I didn't buy these pencils there. I bought these at the other one, the one that more geared towards artists. These are the general charcoal pencils. These one I imported. I found these. These are charcoal pencils, but these ones, it's like almost 12 of them that I found at the local stationery store that I went to. And I was amazed that they have, let me see how much is here, 3, 6, 9, 11. I thought it was 12. Yeah, it's 12. Yeah. So they have these there, and they said they're charcoal pencils. I don't remember the brand they're from, and I just took out the garbage, and so I just literally took out the garbage. I don't remember the brand they're from, but yeah, I saw these there, and I was like, wait, they sell charcoal pencils now? And I decided to stop, and it was like $3 for it. It was like, wow, that is not bad at all. As you can see, they're still they're not sharpened yet. These ones came pre-sharpened. These are also charcoal pencils I found at another stationery and arts. This store that I went to where I bought these and where I bought these is a stationery store in my country that is more geared towards artists, so they tend to sell more art supplies. So they sell this one here, and these are the Stylex charcoal pencils, and these come pre-sharpened, and there's a soft, a medium, and a hard lead. They also sell these, which are natural charcoal. They didn't come with this silver foiled. I was the one who wrapped a silver foil around it, so when I'm working with the charcoal, I don't get my fingers all messy, because that's one of the things I don't like about charcoal. They tend to leave your fingers dark. So I put it around here so while I'm working with the charcoal, my fingers is not left all messy. So these are natural charcoal. These are from Milan, by the way. I threw the box away. So I just kept them in that. And yeah, kind of like this. This is really cool. So I found those there. I should link where I bought these charcoal sticks and this charcoal pencils from in my country. For those Belizeans who are watching this video, you can go to these stores and pick them up. And these are the general charcoal pencils. These one I ordered in. These are imported. So I ordered these and they were brought for me. So yeah, I have these. And again, they come in medium, extra soft lead, and they come with a white charcoal pencil. So now I'm planning to swatch these out so I could put them into this pencil case, so I have a place to put my charcoals. And I thought I was just going to show that process. I do not know the brand these are from. I shouldn't have thrown that box away. And they already took out the garbage. The garbage truck already came already, so I'm sorry. But anyway, I'm going to be sharpening these, at least a presentation of these, and swatch these out. I made my little swatch leaflet here. I decided to put it like a little leaflet because what I've discovered working with charcoals, especially these charcoals over here, is what I work with a lot. They smudges. So we're going to sharpen these. So that's why I put it like this, so it kind of reduce the smudging. Oh crap, I just realized that this thing is swatches too big for that. I just cut it. Now you just saw me think out loud. And I have a tracing film between them so that it kind of reduces the smudging onto the other page. Okay, so let me show you that process and stop my blabbering, okay? This one broke with me 3 times. This is a hard lead. What you have seen me did is actually I counted them. It's 12 pencils, 4 hard, 4 medium, and 4 soft. You saw me do that. I took one of each and I sharpened them. I haven't done the swatch yet. And this one broke with me 3 times. This is a hard lead. A hard lead, yes, a hard lead, and it broke with me 3 times. This is, I think the soft lead broke with me once. The medium lead didn't break at all, but this broke with me 3 times. It broke in this sharpener first, and I didn't believe it broke. I was like, that didn't happen. So I had to kind of pull out the lead, the point that was stuck in the sharpener. I resharpened again to see it actually did broke, and it broke a second time. So I said, okay, maybe it's this sharpener here. Maybe I just need to use a stronger sharpener. And it broke with that sharpener too. I was like, OMG. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one, this sharpener here. This sharpens everything. And I'm going to sharpen it in here. Oh my goodness, see, it broke again. It broke in the sharpener. Oh man, this is not working with me. And I don't like to use the blade. I prefer to use these bigger blades because I have more control over them. So with this hard lead here, I can't use sharpeners because it keep breaking. I don't like to use the blades. I really don't like to use the blade. And I'm not one of those persons who I aim for this, but if it doesn't go in this, I try not to care because I don't want to cut myself. Because I'm not really good with the blade. Even though it said you do this, then nah, I'm not putting my fingers so close to the blade. So I do the motion with the entire utility, and I use a utility knife. I don't use any. I have an X-Acto blade here, but I'm scared of that point. Yeah, so see, I'm getting it down, exposing the blade. Look how small it turned out. Oh my gosh. And now you're seeing me using the blade. I'm almost done. Now I have to point it. This is where I usually break the point. Whenever I got to the lead itself and it's time for me to point it, I break the point. Whenever I'm supposed to point it, I break the point, and see, the point is breaking. But that's okay. Yeah. And look how messy that was. Like I said, I try to aim for my little container, but if it doesn't catch the little container, I try not to care because I do not want to cut myself accidentally, because I'm not really good at sharpening with blades. Hence, I have so much sharpeners. So this doesn't work either. So guys, when you go to the store and you see this sharpener, when you go to the store and you see this pencil on the shelf and you want to try it and you want to get it, please make sure one of the next thing you get is a utility knife, because it's not gonna work with conventional sharpeners. I don't know if they mislabeled it and they called it a hard lead when in truth it's a soft lead, because it broke, as you can see, 4 times. I'm not sure if the company mislabeled it, because sometimes things like that would happen, especially when it comes to cheaper art supplies. Sometimes you'll have a mislabel somewhere, so just be mindful of that. Let me go and grab something and clean up. Cleaned up baby wipes. If you're going to be an artist or a crafter, please make sure one of the things you invest in is baby wipes. Let me dry my surface off a little bit. This is just toilet paper. Okay, see? All cleaned up. Now let's do our swatches. I really want to try these first because they broke with me so many times, especially hard lead. I really want to try it out first. So let me grab my pen. Okay, and let's see what we're working with here. So being that I don't remember the names of these pencils, I'm just going to put the store that I got them from. Okay. And we're going to start from the hard, and then we're going to work our way down to soft. Let's do that now. For these first one here, these ones here, this is a first impression review, and for these ones, they're not so much first impressions because I would have worked with them before. First off the bat, one of the first things I noticed when it comes to blackest of black, the General's charcoal pencil is the blackest of black that I have at this moment. Those were the ones that I imported. They're rich, they're black. I will put a picture of this up so you guys can see what I'm talking about. They're just black. The second to the black would be the Stylex charcoal pencils, especially the soft pencil. It can compete with the Generals. It looks like a harder lead to the General, the Stylex soft, and it just looks like you're going from 2B to maybe B to then HB, then to maybe a F grade or a H2 pencil. This one that I bought, this new one, is not dark at all. This is kind of like third to the black because it's almost an equivalent to between a Stylex hard and medium, and then it just goes lighter after that when it comes to the medium and then the hard. How I set my swatched out, I did one where I did firm pressure, and then to do soft pressure, I went to the edge of the pencil like this, and then I scribble, and that's what you will see me do there to get those to get this impression here. The natural wood pencil is not really black of the black, but I would expect that being that it's natural wood and not compressed charcoal. So compressed charcoals tend to be darker, hence why the General pencils are darker, because those leads are made from compressed charcoal. The General's white charcoal pencil that I got, the one that I got, is really opaque. But guys, give me a suggestion of an opaque white charcoal that I could get, and I'll see if I can get it. I hope I can get it because our borders are so close. But in the future, I will see if I could try that, because I don't think this is really opaque. And all in all, I am working with charcoals and charcoal pencils, so that's why I'm trying to spruce up my collection. And you will see me, I've done the review of them, so you will see me do an illustration of these very shortly. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey. And as always, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.